Hello world! If you woke up today with the opportunity to add another page to the story of your life, then you owe it to yourself to create the most beautiful story you can imagine. Whatever that is, however that looks to you, let the ink spill onto the blank page and fill the empty lines with the magic you thought was out there but was really inside you this whole time. Write a story of hope and redemption, of strength and perseverance, of falling apart and having the courage to pick up the broken pieces and put yourself back together again. Write about how you intimately know grief and heartbreak because you had the courage to love with your whole heart, even when you had no guarantees that you had received the same love in return. Let the ink smear across the page from all the moments you loved so hard that your tears left a permanent mark on the unwritten pages of your future. And let the spaces between words be quiet pages of your future. And let the spaces between words be quiet poses of appreciation, deep breath and spiritual reset, gratitude for a life fully lived. If you woke up today with the opportunity to add another page to the story of your life, then you owe it to yourself to write the story of how you live it fully, messy, and afraid but hopeful and brave. Open, vision clear, always looking towards the sun. By Sana Kate Lee. On Dispose of Ana, a caption with Maria Callas, this is a masterpiece. Knowing Callas' story, it's a very warm and moving. This film moved me very much. This is undoubtedly the role of Angelina Jolie's life. The diva play a dive. I felt like a giving standing ovation. The picture with which Pablo Larraín paints is excellent. Sublime somehow restrained. In each subsequent minute, I felt as if each emotion was floating in the air, as if I could smell them. I don't know anything about opera, but undoubtedly always moves me and takes me to another dimension. It's as if I had held my breath and let the opera go to hell after the last act. Opera singers sang with all their soul. For me, Angelina sang calmest with her heart. This image will undoubtedly stay with me for a long time. I'm going to buy a record player so that I can endlessly move and breathe each song go to February. I wholeheartedly recommend it to you. Good looking as always Simone as the time he attended the Mont Blanc fashion event. On Dispose of Michele, he captioned it with, "Oh Lord, we did it again. What next? 2 Feet music? I do believe Michele. There is still more to follow. Just stay focused and enhance your passion in singing." On Dispose of him with the background music of Use Me by Billy Withers, as the song gives meaning, saying, "Use me" comes from the perspective of a guy who's not exactly being nice in a relationship. The narrator of Use Me has earned the concern of his family and friends due to the nature of his current romantic relationship. They keep trying to tell me, all you want to do is use me, but the guy isn't too worried about the situation because of the benefits that he gets in return. There's implication is this guy is okay with the use because he is getting what he wants, that if it feels this good getting used, oh, you just keep on using me until you use me up. He doesn't deny that she's mean to him, but by the end of the song, he acknowledges the using in this relationship is reciprocal. Use me sheds any sentimentality and cuts to the core of a relationship that build more on physical chemistry than love and affection. Michele is still in New York, but this time he is just taking some rest. Okay, Michele, take some break from work and fill your time lying in bed. Yeah, it just fine, Michele. What can you say, guys? Michele do some exercise on his vocal cords.
You gotta go on, yeah. Breathe in your air to never forget to never forget. Hey, touch your skin right. Don't ever forget. Don't ever forget. You. Up to the moon. Up to the moon. This sure is psychedelic.
Home Sweet Home Rebirth, where every corners hold the secret and every shadow whispers a story. Rediscover the meaning of family and fear in this chilling new chapter. Here we go. Prepare to face your fears. The darkness of the movie. Brace yourself for a hunting journey where every corner hides a secret. Michele Pose's story, as he was saying, super excited that my new film is about to come out. Forget everything you know about me.
I am a model.
You can feel in here how excited and happy on how he do it with passion. Michele said, bringing a character to life is always something wonderful. Especially when it brings a demon to life, it was one of the most interesting job I have done so far.
And then the last thing, which is one of the most important, which is the gold teeth, which is coming soon. Oh yeah. All right. Let's go.
From the film, TV producer Gary Michael Walters, here's the first image from my latest film, Maserati. Very exciting. Racing car drama about the family that created Maserati in the 20s and 30s. Are you sure, Michele? You are comfortable with your body figure? Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 23 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Any two people can fall in love, but only the one that grow in love stay loyal and happy together. Falling in love is about passion. Growing in love is about cultivating that passion with real friendship and creating through emotional intimacy, safety, and trust. Focus on prioritizing together by working successfully through difficulties and challenges while emotionally supporting each other through shared experiences that create a deeper bond, understanding, trust, and empathy. By making each other feel emotionally safe, being vulnerable, by enjoying each other's company and laughing together, by having more meaningful conversations about what you both want in life, by learning things together that interest the both of you. Romantic love is powerful, rewarding and magical, but romantic love will quickly burn out without the fuel of friendship that makes the flame burn stronger and brighter. When you are both growing in love, you are learning who your partner really is. Deep down, what they really care about and makes them feel safe, loved, and happy, and that's what makes to want to join hands and go on the adventure of a lifetime together. When you are growing in love, you will know it because you will both get excited, sharing everything in your life together. By Joel Clemons.